Welcome in another episode of Glossary and Notes. The first word of this episode is fuddle, F-U-D-D-L-E, fuddle. This is a verb transitive and the synonym of this word is intoxicate, I-N-T-O-X-I-C-A-T, intoxicate, drink, D-R-I-N-K, drink, inebriate, I-N-E-B-R-I-B-I-R-A-T-E, inebriate, I-N-E-B-I-R-A-T-E, inebriate, stupefy, S-T-U-P-E-F-Y, stupefy, muddle, M-U-D-D-L-E, muddle, confuse, C-O-N-F-U-S-E, confuse, confound, C-O-N-F-O-U-N-D, confound, make drunk, M-A-K-E, make, D-R-U-N-K, drunk, addle, A-double-D-L-E, addle, excite, E-X-C-I-T, excite. The next word of this series is fugitive, F-U-G-I-T-I-V-E, fugitive. This is a noun and the synonym of this word is refugee, R-E-F-U-G-E-E, refugee. Refugee, escapee, E-S-C-A-P-E-E, escapee, runaway, R-U-N-A-W-A-Y, runaway, deserter, D-E-S-E-R-T-E-R, deserter, outcast, O-U-T-C-A-S-T, outcast, vagabond, V-A-G-A-B-O-N-D, vagabond, lemister, L-A-M-M-I-S-T-E-R, lemister, escaper, E-S-C-A-P-E-R, escaper, wanderer, W-A-N-D-E-R-E-R, wanderer. The next word of this series is fulminate, F-U-L-M-I-N-A-T-E, fulminate, and this is a verb transitive as well as verb intransitive. The synonym of this word is explode, E-X-P-L-O-D-E, explode, denounce, D-E-N-O-U-N-C, denounce, condemn, C-O-N-D-E-M-N, condemn, burst, B-U-R-S-T, burst, detonate, D-E-T-O-N-A-T-E, detonate, blow, blow up, B-L-O-W-U-P, bluff, decry, D-E-C-R-Y, decry, rail, R-A-I-L, rail, thunder, T-H-U-N-D-E-R, thunder, R-O-A-R, roar, censor, S-C-E-N-S-U-R-E, censor, upbraid, U-P-B-R-A-I-D, upbraid, protest, P-R-O-T-E-S-T, protest, remonstrate, R-E-M-O-N-S-T-R-A-T-E, remonstrate. The next word is furious, F-U-R-I-O-U-S, furious. This is an adjective and the synonym of this word is extremely, E-X-T-R-E-M-E-L-Y, extremely angry, A-N-G-R-Y, angry, extremely annoyed, E-X-T-R-E-M-E-L-Y, extremely annoyed, A-N-N-O-Y-E-D, enraged, E-N-R-A-S-E-D, enraged, infuriated, I-N-F-U-R-I-A-T-E-D, infuriated, unrestrained, U-N-R-E-S-T-R-A-I-N-E-D, unrestrained, violent, V-I-O-L-E-N-T, violent, boisterous, B-O-I-S-T-E-R-O-U-S, boisterous, impetuous, I-M-P-E-T-U-O-U-S, impetuous, stormy, S-T-O-R-M-Y, stormy, fierce, F-I-E-R-C-E, fierce, M-A-D, mad, W-I-L-D, wild, ferocious, F-E-R-O-C-I-O-U-S, ferocious, excited, E-X-C-I-T-E-D, excited. The next word is furlong, furlong, F-U-R-L-O-U-G-H, furlong. This is a noun and the synonym of this word is soldiers, holiday, leave, S-O-L-D-I-E-R-S, soldiers, H-O-L-I-D-A-Y, holiday, L-E-A-V, leave. हिंदी में इसे छुट्टी, रुखसत, फरलो कहते हैं। फ्यूरियस का हिंदी में अर्थ होता है अति क्रुद्ध, क्रोधोन्मत्त, भीषण, प्रचंड, तूफानी, आक्रामक, भयावह। फलमिनेट का हिंदी में अर्थ होता है धमाका होना, विस्फोट होना, फटना, कौंधना, भर्त्सना करना, घोर निंदा करना। फ्यूजिटिव का हिंदी में अर्थ होता है शरणार्थी, भगोड़ा, पलायक, फरार। फडल का हिंदी में अर्थ होता है मदोन्मत्त करना, बहुत शराब पीना, नशे में चूर होना, मदिरापान करना, किंग कर्तव्य विमूढ़ होना। द नेक्स्ट वर्ड ऑफ दिस episode is furnished, F-U-R-N-I-S-H-E-D, furnished. This is an adjective, and the synonym of this word is provided, P-R-O-V-I-D-E-D, provided. Yielded, W-I-E-L-D-E-D, yielded. Presented, P-R-E-S-E-N-T-E-D, presented. Equipped, E-Q-U-I-P-P-E-D, equipped. Supplied, S-U-P-P-L-I-E-D, supplied. Fitted, F-I-T-T-E-D, fitted. Outfitted, O-U-T-F-I-T-T-E-D, outfitted. Appointed, A-P-P-O-I-N-T-E-D, appointed. Decorated, D-E-C-O-R-A-T-E-D, decorated. Afforded, A-F-F-O-R-D-E-D, afforded. Bestowed, B-E-S-T-O-W-E-D, bestowed. Invested, I-N-V-E-S-T-E-D, invested. Endowed, E-N-D-O-W-E-D, endowed. द नेक्स्ट हिंदी में अर्थ होता है सुसज्जित, फर्नीचर से युक्त, परिष्कृत, उपस्कृत, उपलब्ध कराया हुआ, सजाया सवारा हुआ. फ्यूरोर, F-U-R-O-R-E, फ्यूरोर. दिस इज ए नाउन एंड द सिनोनिम ऑफ दिस वर्ड इज अप्रोर, U-P-R-O-A-R, अप्रोर. कॉमोशन, C-O-M-M-O-T-I-O-N, कॉमोशन. इंथ्यूजियाज्म, E-N-T-H-U-S-I-A-S-M, इंथ्यूजियाज्म. क्रेज, C-R-A-Z-E, क्रेज. फ्रेंजी, F-R-E-N-Z-Y, फ्रेंजी. रेज, R-A-G-E, रेज. टर्मोइल, T-U-R-M-O-I-L, टर्मोइल. क्लैमर, C-L-A-M-O-U-R, क्लैमर. डिजॉर्डर, D-I-S-O-R-D-E-R, डिजॉर्डर. हिंदी में अर्थ होता है शोरगुल, जोश, उमंग, उन्माद, प्रकोप, सनक, फतूर, गड़बड़, तीव्र, उत्तेजना. The next word of this episode is furtive, F-U-R-T-I-V-E, furtive. Furtive is an adjective and the synonym of this word is secret, S-E-C-R-E-T, secret. Stealthily, S-T-E-A-L-T-H-Y, stealthy. Clandestine, C-L-A-N-D-E-S-T-I-N-E, clandestine. Surreptitious, surreptitious, S-U-R-R-E-P-T-I-T-I-O-U-S, surreptitious. Sly, S-L-Y, sly. Evasive, E-V-A-S-I-V-E, evasive. Covert, C-O-V-E-R-T, covert. And the Hindi मीनिंग ऑफ दिस वर्ड इज गुप्त, चोरी का, चोरी छिपे किया हुआ, चुराने वाला. द नेक्स्ट वर्ड इज फ्यूरी, F-U-R-Y, फ्यूरी. दिस इज ए नाउन एंड द सिनोनिम ऑफ दिस वर्ड इज एंगर, A-N-G-E-R, एंगर. रैथ, W-R-A-T-H, रैथ. फ्रेंजी, F-R-E-N-Z-Y, फ्रेंजी. रेज, R-A-G-E, रेज. फेरोसिटी, F-E-R-O-C-I-T-Y, फेरोसिटी. वायलेंस, V-I-O-L-E-N-C, वायलेंस. वेहेमेंस, V-E-H-M-E-N-C, वेहेमेंस. टर्ब्यूलेंस, T-U-R-B-U-L-E-N-C, टर्ब्यूलेंस. आयर, A-R-E, आयर. टेम्पर, T-E-M-P-E-R, टेम्पर. मैडनेस, M-A-D-N-E-S-S, मैडनेस. वाइल्डनेस, W-I-L-D-N-E-S-S, वाइल्डनेस. हिंदी में अर्थ होता है क्रोध, गुस्सा, आक्रोश, प्रकोप, तीव्र उत्तेजना, उन्माद, पागलपन. The next word of this episode is futile, F-U-T-I-L-E, futile. This is an adjective and the synonym of this word is useless, U-S-E-L-E-S-S, useless. Pointless, P-O-I-N-T-L-E-S-S, pointless. Trifling, T-R-I-F-L-I-N-G, trifling. Worthless, W-O-R-T-H-L-E-S-S, worthless. Trivial, T-R-I-V-I-A-L, trivial. Frivolous, F-R-I-V-O-L-O-U-S, frivolous. V-A-I-N, vain. Abortive, A-B-O-R-T-I-V-E, abortive. Fruitless, F-R-U-I-T-L-E-S-S, fruitless. Valueless, V-A-L-U-E-L-E-S-S, valueless. हिंदी में अर्थ होता है व्यर्थ, बेकार, तुच्छ, निरर्थक, बकवाद. This is all about today's glossary and notes. Thanks, regards.